Let's make this amazing Indian breakfast known as poha. Start with one large potato or two small potatoes and cut this into smaller pieces. Transfer your potatoes to a colander and wash this to remove all the starch. Next, take one onion, 1/4 of a green pepper or any other color and 2 green chilies. Chop the green chilies along the onions. Cut your pepper into smaller pieces and you can use more veggies if you want. Let's start the cooking. Here goes the cooking oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add few curry leaves. Next, add your potatoes. If your potatoes are small, fry it for 5 minutes. For bigger potatoes, you may have to fry for longer. Add your green chilies. Next, add your onions and green peppers. Fry these until your onions are translucent. So after around 5 minutes, add peanuts. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of spicy red chili, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Next, let's wash our poha. Take out around 2 cups of poha in a colander. We are going to wash this poha. Now, if you don't know what poha is, it's just the rice flakes which is considered healthy and is commonly used for breakfast in India. You can find this poha in any Indian store or even in Walmart in the international aisle. This poha is extremely dry, so you have to keep it under water for 15 to 20 seconds. You can see I have added a lot of water in my poha. You just have to make your poha wet and drain all the water. Before adding poha, add few drops of water in this. Next, add half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now let's mix all of this until your poha gets that yellow color from the turmeric powder. Keep mixing so that every flake gets that flavor from the spices we have added. Garnish it with fresh cilantro and your poha is ready. This poha is considered healthy because it's made up of rice flakes and it's considered as a good breakfast option. Garnish this with some more cilantro and save. You can also add ketchup if you want and enjoy, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.